Hey, Caleb.
You should go from the front with our tongue out.
Dad.
Say, excuse me, Ben.
Dad, did you
Yeah,
get
that sounds
them?
like an excuse me.
Hey, slow down. I gotta get in front of you.
Whoa, Caleb, don't let go. Oh my goodness, you can fall. Oh!
Couple.
There's a simultaneous woo!